Hey guys, Rob here. Yeah, I just decided to go for a walk. I'm down from my road a little bit. I'm at a little park pull off, but it's all closed up now because they're not maintaining it. Bunch of old trees that are pretty much, had it. It's really pretty down here. I usually walk down here either before or after dinner. But there's a lot of vines growing on the ground and all over the place. It's just not maintained anymore. I wanted to go check out the river, see how low it is, but yeah. All the trees are fell down here. Up and over. Ugh. Just hope there ain't any snakes and frickin' bees around here. Ugh. Yeah, there's a lot of overgrowth. Yeah. Looks like something's been ripping out all this bark from this tree. I know porcupines do that. Just frickin' ton of bark right there. Half these trees are all stripped of their bark. It's like, Huh. And we have a lot of elk trees down here. Every frickin' night you hear the frickin' acorns dropping one by one. Like bang, bang, bang. It's like, this one's about ready to fall. A giant crack right in the middle of that, right there. It's pretty much a dead tree. Yeah. A lot of termite and carpenter ant damage. Let's go down and look at the river for a minute. See how low the water really is. Yeah, it's fairly low. It's just like 20 years ago. You couldn't even see the bottom of the river. Right now it's like right here. So shallow. Freaking nuts. I can get a better view down here, the river. Yeah, this is the Winooski River. It is pretty down here, but it's just been so hot and dry lately. We haven't got a whole lot of rain this year. Oh damn, and down there too, it's really shallow. The sandbar is like starting to form. Like, right here. Yeah, I just decided to go for a little walk and I usually go like when it's later in the day after dinner when it's cooler off, but right now it's like 75 and I'm like, it's a good time to go for a walk. It ain't too hot, ain't too cold, but yeah. I used to fish down here a lot, but I haven't fished in a while. Alright. Turn back around. Yeah. I don't know what kind of berries these are, but it's a giant vine growing. Tons of berries though, but they're stuck up there in the tree. Yeah. Alright guys, just nice little walk and here to, yeah. I wish this was more maintained and they cut several of these dead trees down. This used to be a good like picnic spot area. They still have a bunch of old like they're concrete tables just sitting out here. Yeah, there's one right here. There's a couple more over there. Alright guys, like, leave a comment. See ya.